We have an exciting update. Sonoma County Regional Parks has successfully completed the first phase of Maxwell Farms Regional Park's renovation. The first phase renovations include new sports fields, improved parking, enhanced ADA access, and new amenities to boost recreational opportunities at the Central Community Park located in Sonoma Valley. We are grateful for all the Phase 1 funding support. Planning and fundraising are underway for the second phase of improvements, which will feature a renovated skate park, a new bicycle and scooter pump track, new pickleball courts, and improvements to backcountry walking trails. Phase 2 construction will begin when funding is secured. Visit Maxwell Farms Regional Park and enjoy the Phase 1 renovations.